Babe, it's cold.
Hello everyone, in today's video we're actually going to not be doing an unboxing, but instead we're actually going to be looking at some drone footage that I captured the other day. And while I was catching that footage, I actually landed my drone in the water using my water landing gear, and then the sensors malfunctioned and it would not let me ascend back into the sky. So my drone was floating downriver, which caused me to actually take off all my clothes and jump into freezing water. And this is just a couple of days ago in November right now. And yeah, guys, this is an insane video, so stay tuned for this. I actually got some more footage of it floating after I jumped in, but it was ice cold. There was rocks everywhere beating me up. It was a crazy day. So I just wanted to give you guys this video just for laughs, because I mean, it happens, and this was a drone footage fail like nobody's business. So go ahead and take a look at this, guys, and tell me what you think.
Oh God. Get it, because it's going downstream.
Honey.
What?
It won't let me.
What? Well, we better go, because it's going downstream. Look.
Here, take my controller. Fucking serious. Film this.
Oh my God, babe, it's going. Dude, be careful, please. Babe, it's cold. Are you all right there, buddy? Jesus Christ. There you are. Jesus Christ.
Let's get the fuck out of here. Yeah, I was definitely ready to get out of there. That was not a good scenario, and I was tired. I had a bunch of scrapes and beaten and battered. I actually edited this footage, but for the most part, I stood for about 3 minutes shin kicking this one rock, like in one spot. So I edited that out and everything, because the whole trek was horrible and I was in my undies, so it was terrible all in all. But I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more great content, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads.